Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to start a blog on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account. From this page, click on this website button below the Squarespace site I want to add a blog on. Go to Pages, and next to Main Navigation, click on this plus icon and select Blog from this list. Select your blog page template from this list. I want to go with this one. Edit your blog name in this navigation menu. For example, my blog. Click on the enter button on your keyboard. To add a blog post to your new blog, just go to blog content. To edit these default articles, just click on these three dots and go with delete. To add a new blog post to your blog, click on this plus icon. Insert or enter your post title, for example, post title here, and start writing your post body here. You can save your blog post for later editing. You can also publish it now or schedule it to be published later. I will go with publish it now. As you can see, my blog post is live. Click on done. To visit it, simply click on this little arrow. And this is your blog post page here, and this is your blog page or new blog page. If you want to edit this from my dash blog to directly blog, all you need to do is to click or go to the editing mode. Click on this arrow to arrive at this pages panel. Next to your blog, click on this gear icon. Go to URL Slack and edit it just like that. Save your editing. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And now your blog is available at yoursite.com, for example, /blog. And this is my blog page. To manage your blog categories and tags, simply go back to Pages. Click on this gear icon next to your blog from this Pages panel and go to Advanced. And from here, you can manage your categories and also your tags. To add categories to your blog posts, simply click on blog content, and next to the blog you want to edit, click on these three dots and go to settings. Now click on, first you can add a featured image for your blog post. You can also add an excerpt of your blog article. You can also edit your blog post URL from here. And for the categories, just go to options, click on categories and fill in your category one here. Click on enter on your keyboard and it's added to your blog post. Don't forget to save or to click on this save to not lose your editing. And this is how to start a blog on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.